So there's this slime, it's really sticky. I already some to the side, it's like sticky. So I'm gonna let this sit, and my sister's right there. I'm gonna let this sit, and my grandma. And this slime's like really sticky. So I'm gonna let some of this sit. What's it called? I keep forgetting. Sit. And then I'm gonna be playing with this. This slime's like really glossy, really stretchy. Whoa. Yeah, I really actually like it. I love this slime. Like, it's super cool because it's like stretchy and stuff. I don't actually think this is sticky because when I'm doing this, it's actually not sticky at all. Like, not sticky. So, yeah, it's like, dude, listen. Isn't it really pokey? No, it's really